Hello, my name is Bryce Curry, and this is a sample project for Edulog. The topic of this walkthrough is the basics of Photoshop, more specifically how to create an editable image. To begin, you will open the applications on your computer and locate the Photoshop app, which is marked by this PS logo. And once you double click and open, it'll bring you to a home page. And then you will select the New File button in the top left corner. This will bring forward a dialog box that gives you options on how to create your canvas. If you're new to Photoshop, you'll probably not have a recent section, so you can open the Photo tab and select a blank document preset. This preset comes with a file name, the size of the canvas, the resolution, the color mode, and the background contents. So you can name the file whatever you'd like to name it. And then for the sake of this project, we'll create a square artboard. Select artboard. Can leave the document at 300 dpi. This is standard resolution for digital art. RGB is also standard for digital art. And the white background is good for this project as well. So then you select create. So Photoshop will give you a blank canvas that you can use to do anything you'd like. This will serve as the background. So you'll navigate over to this layers panel and we'll create a new layer using this plus icon. So this creates a foreground. This is where we'll be placing the image. So then to place your image, you will navigate over to File and drop down to Place Embedded. We're choosing Place Embedded because it inserts the image into the project file versus Place Linked, which creates a link to the image inside of your computer documents. So if you were to move the image, Photoshop may not be able to locate it. So Place Embedded is ideal for this kind of project. And you'll select your image and insert. Photoshop will default center and place the image. However, these toggles on each border of the image serve as a way to resize as well as move the image to wherever you'd like. So once your image is placed, you'll select the check mark, and this will put this on the layer. So we have a blank canvas with an image inserted. Now we have to create an editable image. To do this, navigate over to the Layers panel and drop down to Rasterize. Follow the caret and select Smart Object. This makes the image a collection of pixels that Photoshop can read. So now we have an editable image. To edit this image, more specifically for this project, we'll be removing the background. On newer versions of Photoshop, you have an option to just select the Remove Background button. This is really handy and removes a lot of work. If you're looking at an older version of Photoshop, or perhaps someone who prefers the manual method, can return using the Undo button and locate the toolbar. On the toolbar, the fourth tool down, select that, do a control click, and locate the Magic Wand tool. This tool will allow you to manually select pieces of the image and delete those in sections. You'll see you'll have these little moving lines that indicate what's selected. And Photoshop can read what looks like similar pixels. So then you select Delete on your keyboard, and you can remove these little sections. So it's essentially the same exact function, just doing it manually rather than allowing Photoshop to do it for you. So it's really a matter of preference. But now you see you have an editable image that we've manipulated, which we can still move and scale and place. And that was a quick walkthrough on how to create a blank canvas, place an image, make the image into an editable image, and then make an alteration. Thank you.